Hello and welcome back to Your Perfect Cat. Uh, this week's video is all about Finn and his progress going outside. You'll see in the video, it's a rather short one. You'll just see what he's been up to and how confident he is. And again, I let him take the lead. I do direct him a little bit. There are occasions when he going out of the house, he kind of hangs in the doorway and I usually want to get the door closed. So I will push him a little. So it's okay to guide your cat some, but again, you're going to get your best results by letting your cat, basically walk you in a way. But allow your cat to explore whatever they want to explore. And He's doing really well. I worked really hard with Val because he seemed more interested early on with going out, and Finn did not. And I guess I waited for him to and hoped that he would want to go out, and finally he did. And he has a lot less fears of a lot of the things that are going on outside than Val because he's watched it from the door, I think is what's happened. He's watched Val walk. He's sat many times at the front door watching what we're doing. And, he finally decided that he was ready to do it too. So I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, share this video. I'd like to grow the channel. And be sure to comment. Again, I respond to everyone's comments because it's a small channel and I have the time. So thank you for watching and enjoy. Hey there, Finn. Thought I'd show you how Finn's coming along. He's actually starting to ask to go out. And so he's checking things out. Good boy. It's okay. I saw the neighbors doing stuff. Good boy, Finn. I don't know what he's smelling. Anyway, the last time I showed you, he explored the entire yard, and he hasn't really done that since. But he has gone out of the yard, so he's gone down the driveway all on his own without me prompting him. And sometimes he likes long times out and sometimes not. So it looks like he might be getting ready to go in. That's kind of how he asks. He's really bothered by the leash. He's very funny about that. Good boy. Are you ready? Bird watching, aren't you? Yeah. All right. Sorry about that. You ready to go in? You ready? Yeah? You ready? Okay. Let's open the door. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.